Good morning, students. Now today we will have the first class of physics. Okay, the first chapter is based on matter. Okay, so matter is what is matter? Okay, so matter is any substance which occupied space, anything which occupied space and has mass is known as matter. Okay, anything which occupied space and has mass is called matter. Okay, is called matter. Okay, so anything which occupied space and has mass is called matter. Okay, then matter is actually divided into three types. This matter is actually divided into three types. The first one is solid, second one is liquid, and the third one is gases. Okay, so the matter is actually divided into three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so anything which occupied space and has mass is called matter, and then matter is further divided into three parts, which is known as solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gases. Okay, now we can easily understand that what are solids, what are liquid and what are gases. Okay, the table kept in your house, the cupboard, almaris, double bed, all these things are solid, which are hard and rigid, is known as solid. Okay, what is liquid? Liquid are those substances which can flow easily. Okay, like water, milk, alcohol. Okay, all these things are liquid which can flow. Okay, comes under the category of liquid. And what are gases? Gases means which can expand. Okay, gases are those things which can expand. Okay, like carbon dioxide, oxygen, okay, helium, hydrogen, all these are gases which when gets free surface, free space, they expand. So these are the categories of solid, liquid and gases. Okay, so after this we have to do some experiment to prove whether the solid and liquid has mass or not. Okay, because in its definition it is clearly written that it occupied space and has mass. So we will do few experiments to prove that solid and liquid and gases have mass. Suppose we will have this spring balance. Okay, okay, and here we will have a certain marking on it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 something like this. Okay, marking. Okay, so this is a spring balance. This is known as spring balance. It is used to measure the weight. Spring balance is used to measure the weight, and this is the hook of the spring balance. This is the hook of the spring balance. What we will do? We will take a beaker. That means empty beaker, and on that empty beaker, what we will do? We will hang. We will keep those pieces of sugar on that empty beaker. That means we will fill the beaker with the sugar, and what we will do? We will hang that beaker. We will hang the beaker we will hang the beaker, and here we will have kept the pieces of sugar. Okay, this is the beaker, this is beaker, and these are the sugar pieces. Okay, so what we will observe, that as soon as the beaker will hang on this hook, what we will see? We will see that the spring balance get stretched down. Spring balance, the hook of that spring balance will get stretched down, and what happens? We will see that the pointer of this spring balance, this is the pointer. This is the pointer of spring balance which comes down at this place, okay. So this proves that it comes at this place, pointer. Okay, this is a pointer. Pointer means what? It is pointing the weight, it is pointing towards the weight. By this only we can know that what is the weight of the object which is hanged. Okay, so this proves that the sugar along with the beaker has some weight. Okay, so this is the experiment which is proving that solid has weight, because sugar is a solid. This is experiment proving that the sugar, that means solid, have weight. Okay, solid has mass. And in place of this, now what we will do? We will keep the arrangement same. Just what we will do? We will just change the beaker, and now we will hang the beaker which is having milk on it. Suppose this beaker is filled with milk. Okay, milk is a liquid. Okay, milk is a liquid matter. Okay, milk, we all know that is a liquid matter, and what happens as soon as when the beaker filled with milk is hang on the hook, what we will see? We will again see that the pointer is coming down. So this also proves that the liquid also has mass. Okay, liquid also has mass. So what we have studied? We have studied that anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Matter is of three types: solid, liquid, and mass. Okay, solid, liquid, and gases. And then about solid and liquid, that they both have mass, we have done the experiment. Rest of the things we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.